With this warmer weather, maybe you are doing some spring cleaning, and maybe that could include your medicine cabinet because it's National Prescription Drug Take Back Day this Saturday. Ellen Walkus, Senior Pharmacy Specialist at Priority Health, is here to talk more about this event. Thank you for being here with us.
Thank you.
So just talk about the importance of this event and why it's so important for our community.
Yeah, so it's a national event. It happens the last Saturday in April and October, and it's a chance for the community to clean out all of those medications because what we don't want to have happen is for those medications to be left in your house that could easily be misused either intentionally or unintentionally by people or even pets. So we definitely want to get that medication out of your homes.
Ellen, you were telling me that this event is really growing over the years, right?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. I think more and more people are understanding the dangers of having the medication in their home. And then the other thing is that we just celebrated Earth Day, and people are concerned about, it used to be that we were told flush it down the toilet, but then it can actually get into our waterways and into we don't want it in our landfills either, right? So we want it disposed of in an environmentally friendly way, and that's what happens at the Drug Take Back Day.
So what types of medications or items can people bring, and are there any restrictions?
They can actually, there really are not restrictions at all. They can bring prescription medication, also over-the-counter medication. That's fine to bring. They can bring pills, vials, sharps we collect as well, and inhalers, so that's not a problem. I think it's important to note that we don't ask questions at all about the medication, right? So we just collect it, it goes right into an evidence box, and then it gets disposed of.
For those who are new to this, walk us through the collection process and what they can expect.
Right. So one of the things that happened is that we used to have people get out of their car and actually bring them to us. Now they're all drive-up events, which is super convenient. It's beautiful today, but it could be raining on Saturday. You just drive up. We will come to your car window, and then we will collect the medication. And one of the things that we are doing is we actually are giving out Narcan, the opioid reversal agent. And so we'll ask you if you want to have Narcan, and there's no charge for that at all.
A life-saving resource right there.
Yep.
Okay, share with us the details for this Drug Take Back Day.
Yep.
A lot of locations, right?
Yeah, so a lot of locations. Saturday, this Saturday from 10 o'clock until 2 o'clock, I'll be at Priority Health on the main campus, enter on Leonard Street. But we have other locations as well, the Kent County Health Department, and also the Cutlerville, Corwell Health Cutlerville location has a take-back site. And Zeeland Hospital has a Corwell Health Hospital. Zeeland also has a take-back site. But if you can't find a location close to you, you can go on the DEA Drug Take Back website. So.
Also, how pounds have you collected over the years? You were saying that, sharing that number with me.
Yeah, so I've been doing this since 2018, and we have collected, just in the sites that I coordinate, the 3 of them, 4,000 pounds of medication.
Wow.
That didn't get misused into the community and also didn't end up in our landfills. So we're pretty excited about that, and we look to expand this even more going forward. There are a few sites that we would like to expand in the communities that are farther outside of Grand Rapids.
Okay, anything else that you want to share, maybe your message to people tonight who are kind of cleaning out a little bit?
Yeah. The one thing that I will share is the other thing this gives us an opportunity is to talk about substance use disorder to help reduce stigma of the substance use disorder. I can tell you that when I started in 2018, I could not have dreamed about all of the resources that are available. For instance, Priority Health has behavioral, they actually have specialists that deal in substance use disorder. Corwell Health has walk-in clinics for substance use disorder. So there's a lot of resources. So if someone is struggling, there is hope out there, and we need to find help. And we need to talk about it in a way that is not a moral issue, but a medical issue, right?
Yeah, important work you are doing. Ellen Walkus with Priority Health. Thank you so much for being here with us. Sarah?